Don't you just love February? Happy Reggae Month and happy Black History Month. In this week's entertainment recap, Minister All apologizes to Jada Kingdom. Coffee with a new album. Nicki Minaj talks about her love for music, new music, and more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Before we get deep into this week's highlights, right? We must say big congratulations to the Mitchells, Wayne and Tammy. They're having a...
It's a girl.
Are you lying?
That's why I wanted to see your face. It's priceless.
Finally, we are happy for you guys, and guess what? As I always say, motherhood is a blessing. But in this case, parenting is a blessing. Former dancehall queen Lady Saw, who spiritually transformed to Minister Marion Hall, apologized to dancehall artist Jada Kingdom. Alright, go. Hall, formerly Lady Saw, called self-proclaimed Eastside Queen Jada Kingdom and a handful of other female artists weak. She also hurled negative comments about the current state of their careers in dancehall while bashing the lyrical content of their songs. The comments did not go unchecked, as Macadamon, Shensia, Tanya Stevens, and Spice all issued clapbacks at the former dancehall star. Well, Kingdom responded to comments on Twitter recently, and let me tell you, it was a serious rebuke of Sister Hall. Well, this pushed the former dancehall queen to go on her Instagram Live and apologize to Kingdom for offending her. Minister Hall stated,
Little baby Jada, I'm so sorry if I offended you. You know, I saw you on the clip and I just said, Jada, you weak. You talented. Yeah? You just need to put some more aggression in there. Yeah? And do some song like, yeah? Hey, me no love for you rape me sister. I me no love for you ma kill me mother. Yeah, no. That's what I'm talking about, yeah? So, when you coming at me like that, baby girl, I'm no longer that girl, but if I was, I would just say, Jada, get back to your room, you're grounded. You know what I'm saying? I love you, baby girl, yeah? Carl, good buddy, God bless you. So, I just wanted to encourage you. You know what I'm saying? Do some things, so when you leave, you have a legacy.
Let's make it clear. The Minister Marion Hall confirmed that she will not be returning to the dancehall industry. Coffee finally coming out with another album. Finally! She gifted, no pun intended. Get that? Now worry yourself, you soon get it. Anyways, back to the script. She gifted her fans, us, because I'm a fan, yeah, in this lovely month of February, which is also Reggae Month, with the announcement of yet another album. Talk about perfect timing. Songs such as Pull Up, a modern-day reggae hit from the album, is already moving through the airwaves. The Grammy-nominated star announced that her new debut album, Gifted, see, you get it, right? You get it, right? Will be released on March 25th of this year, and she will be having her Spring 22 tour to promote the upcoming project. The Gifted Tour is set to take place in North America starting from April 11 to May 27. She also shared that she will be accompanied by Afro-pop singer Ira Star, Vibe Killer, Bloody Samaritan, Protect My Energy, From Your Bad Ara, yes, and Bojo, and not to mention Joe Boy. Yeah. Reggae Month is blowing up big time. I will couldn't leave out the great Bob because an exhibition of Brother Bob will be showcased in the Grammy Museum. The Marley, a family legacy exhibition showcased at the Grammy Museum. The legacy of Bob Marley and his family will be featured at the Grammy Museum in Los Angeles once again for his fans to appreciate. Perfect opportunity to travel, right? The 8-month-long exhibition started on February 9th and will end on October 16th. Billboard reported that there will also be a Learn How to Drum with Santa Davis segment at the museum, where guests will have the opportunity to learn to drum from the great Santa Davis, who played drums for Bob Marley and, since 2003, Ziggy Marley. Lessons will also be given on how to create the unique Jamaican styles of beat by the innovator himself. Then that is interesting. Nicki Minaj is definitely a GOAT, greatest of all time, from the Caribbean, who made it big within the mainstream music. Trinidad and Tobago born rapper Nicki Minaj was invited as a guest on The Late Late Show, where she shared details about her love for music. The international star shared with the popular late night show host James Corden that even though she fell out of love with the music business for a while, she has now chosen to enjoy every moment of what she is doing. This, as she was promoting her new single, Do We Have a Problem?, featuring Lil Baby. On this week's new music, which is my favorite part of the show, and you know me get excited for this, all right? I'm gonna bring my girl Coffee with Pull Up, Shano with Dark Room, then Shano because you know a lonely place, a lonely parts. Bugle with History, Kez with Jolene, and Lil Jello featuring Happy Boy, Times, DJ Fearless, Kevin with Coco 2. This week's new music, Avabos.
Yo, pull up another ladder, but me have the Benz and the Prada, and a couple brand new order. All of them fully don't matter. 0 to 102. Yeah, so I'ma flex on you. All in on my section view, I set on you. Then me get a text come true, so I'ma show you what my legs can do. Pull up another party, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody, yeah. Pull up another Rari, yeah. Bare feelings that I carry.
So it's the darkest time for me. Lights out. My 2 hands out, but I just can't feel. Lights out. Na 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 na.
I feel proud nowadays when I see youths are enemy. Cause all those barefoot walking lead to clocks wallaby. Underground bad mind you go. It was a proud moment when me opened my own studio. Love me if you see me in a Louis V, couldn't afford you go. One time big up the Seeker, no man I never to go. David Curry, you know how you go.
You want to know where we coming from? Say you want come look for me, yeah. If you're willing to have some fun, I could keep you company. Move that way, come girl, blunder right by me. Squeeze that tight, make it trip down there. Neighbor, oh, yes, you kindly. Miss Jolie, know your mango sweet, so Jolie, know your mango sweet. Tell me how it ripe and sweet, so Jolie, know your mango sweet. It's been a while, yeah. Jolie, know your mango sweet. Since we built a vibe, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah.
When the master split, when the rap goes shrink, when the session bad, when the girl don't wind up, when the master split, when the rap goes shrink, when the session bad, when the girls don't wind up. Everything in the cocoa, eat everything in the cocoa, everything in the cocoa, eat everything in the cocoa. Real mass in the cocoa, real jazz in the cocoa, real rum in the cocoa. Things just break away in the cocoa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week, birthday shout out goes to the great and late Bob Marley, Bunny Rogues, and Tennessee. Happy birthday also to Derek Harriott and Cutty Ranks. Continue to do great, marvelous work that you have been doing. And for those who have passed, your work will live on. And as we say on this show, big up who? You! On your birthday, of course. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Let me say it again. It's PBC Jamaica. And thanks to Ear Candy every week for more nice clean earring in my ears. This week, let me give me silver. Have some, girl something I want, some get something I want in my ears. I like it yet. Have a little trap vibe. Yes, anyways, remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story to share, email us at asteele@pbcjamaica.org. Oh, I remember, always and forever, big up you!